Okay, so let's look at the value of a firm. What we have is, in the first case, in the blue case, we have profits at start at time 0 are 10, the interest rate is 10%, and the growth rate expected across time is 5%. Then the value of the firm is simply 10 times 1.1 divided by 0.1 minus 0.05, and this comes out to 220. So the value of the firm is 220. On the other hand, suppose we let that growth rate go down to 0. Then what we'd have is 10 times 1.1, 1 plus the interest rate, over 0.1, not minus the growth rate because the growth rate is 0, and this will equal 110. So the growth rate is showing up as a rather significant part of the value of the firm. Now the value of the firm should be reflected somehow in the price. So if you have 100 shares outstanding, that is that 100 people own equal claims on the profits of this firm across time, then what we should expect for the price of the firm, or P, is that it would be the value divided by the number of equal claims is equal to 220 divided by 100, or 2.2. So we might expect the price of the firm with 5% growth rate to be $2.20. Now, if we're looking at the firm without the growth rate, it should be fairly obvious that this is going to be lower. 110 divided by 100 equals 1.1. So the growth rate of the firm should be reflected in the value, and that should be seen in stock markets and stock prices reflecting the growth. Higher growth firms, in terms of their profits, should have higher prices than an otherwise equal firm where the growth is lower.